It's been in the Seifert name for over 100 years. So I'll be the third generation. All in all, it's a wonderful farm, as you can see, and I think if a person keeps working it the way it's been worked, it'll be here another 100 years. It's all connected. There's nothing on the other side of the highway, and basically where the house sets to anywhere that anybody can see the place is a mile out. Deer hunting is excellent. Turkey hunting was not that well until about 1980, and right now there's more gobblers and big whitetail bucks on this place than we can kill. It's all set up with waters on every paddock, and there's probably 25 or 30 paddocks. It's all fenced off so you can rotationally graze. It's self-sufficient. You don't need to go anywhere else. You can grow your grain, your hay, still have pasture enough to handle 400 head of mom cows. So it's a good setup with all the waters, 3 or 4 ponds. If you do it right, you won't run out of grass from April till October, November. It just works great the way it's set up. He spent a lot of money to do it, but it was definitely worth it. When him and Mom got married in '66, that he wanted to raise corn, cattle, and kids, and he did all 3. But it's a wonderful place to live. I'm 51 and I've been here since I was born and worked hard, but had a good, honest life out here. And I will miss it, but it's time to move it on to somebody else.